What's up, guys? Me and Zach here today. Finally got the headers on after long awaited time.
Been
but
a bit of an ordeal.
Yeah, but I went with the Texas Speed 1 7/8 off-road headers.
Big boys.
Means no cats, so
straight through.
Yeah,
it's loud as you heard in the cold.
But overall, really happy with them. Honestly, it sounds great. I mean, it's really loud.
It's extremely loud.
But it still sounds good at that, even it being that loud.
And it doesn't drone. It's each time we do a new exhaust mod, like we both started with axlebacks and then we went to X pipes, and then it was just you know, a couple percent here and there. I mean, Jared's got catless headers, and it's still not even bad. I mean, you could daily this car. You might not want to if you're kind of, you know, about stuff, but we're both really impressed with them, and car's pretty quick now. We're guesstimating low ball at least 20 wheel. So
yeah, going down the road like cruising 65 6 gear don't really sound any difference as it did with the X pipe. So
sounds really good. But guys, we're gonna get a few driving clips, a few drive-bys. Me and Jared's gonna go ride around for a minute, test them out. Here we go. That short little video about Jared's new long tube headers. We're really impressed. They're really loud, and Jared's giving us a thumbs up. So Texas Speed, shout out to you all. Got his headers here real quick. Had to wait a little while on getting them put in, but now they're in, and they are really impressive, guys. We got some cool stuff planned here coming up soon. So we're gonna go to Ponies in the Smokies over in Gatlinburg. We're going to an exotic car show in Orlando. And we're going to Daytona Speedway to watch cars go around and all types of different exotic cars. And then is it April again or May? We're going to Georgia for a Mustang fan club or something event. But
then American Muscle.
We're going to this summer. So we got some really cool stuff planned. So subscribe, stay tuned. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Hope everybody's having a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.